Hi, I'm Melissa Roeder, and I am a student graduating with a bachelor's in psychology from the ASU New College on the West Valley campus. I started as an ASU online student, so I was working 2 jobs and living up in Washington, and found out about the Starbucks tuition program that they partner with ASU for. So I actually went and got a job at Starbucks while I was working as a massage therapist so I could start school that way. And then when it got to a point where I recognized the experience I wanted required something more hands-on, those research elements, I started trying to figure out if transferring down here was a possibility, and the degree I was in was housed under New College, so it was already the perfect fit. It is the more research-focused side of the psychology programs, and they made it really easy for me to transfer down here and start my experience on campus. The ASU New College has helped me so much in the ability to build relationships here, but what's really unique about ASU West is that there's this intimacy here that you don't get in other spaces. And so much of that is because the class sizes here are smaller, the population is more focused in certain fields, and so I have the ability to build those really close relationships with faculty and to gain great insight through their mentorship. And I just think that ASU West is really unique in that way because it allows us this ability to build close relationships that doesn't exist on every campus. This new chapter is the thing that I knew was on my horizon, but I didn't know how I was going to get there. And what New College has done for me is allowed me the access to that new chapter and to that horizon that I've been striving for a long time.